Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you information about 2-3 news. First, India developing vehicles mounted counter swarming drone system for army. Now Indian Army is one of the first in the world to induct a swarming system and is now developing a counter swarming drone system. The system is primarily for protecting mechanized army formations from swarming drone attacks. It uses a hard kill system, that is micro missiles, to neutralize the threat. The system is tentatively named as Bhargavastra. The system will be mounted on 4x4 vehicle, detection range more than 5 km for 0.01 m2 UAVs. Micro missile with IIR/CCD speaker will have an interaction range of 2.5 km. Each vehicle will carry 64 micro missiles in 8x8 cassettes. Micro missiles will have 2.5 kg in weight, capable of multiple launching in 10 seconds and also capable of vertical launch with 360-degree coverage. Such kind of missile is already available with India private firm EEL. Let's go to the second news. India declines to disclose upcoming UN vote on Ukraine. Now, India does not want to say in advance how it will vote at the United Nations General Assembly on a likely draft resolution condemning Russia's proclaimed annexation of parts of Ukraine, Foreign Minister S. Jaishankar said on Monday. As a matter of prudence and policy, we don't predict our votes in advance, Jaishankar said during a joint media briefing along with Australia's Foreign Minister Penny Wong in Canberra. Now, the third news is Indo-Pacific being reshaped. Now, Australian Foreign Minister Penny Wong said, India and Australia have recognized that the strategic Indo-Pacific region is being reshaped both economically and strategically. Australian Foreign Minister Penny Wong said on Monday, underlining that the partnership with India is a critical part of shaping the region amidst China's aggressive posturing. Wong said during a press conference on Monday with External Affairs Minister Jaishankar, who arrived in Canberra from New Zealand. Thank you.